Hi, my name is Dr. Reem. I'm a board-certified pediatric dentist, and I am passionate about bringing digital workflows and 3D printing into pediatric dentistry and early orthodontic solutions.
When a baby molar is lost early, holding its space is ultra important. There's a permanent tooth developing underneath. All we had before were metal space maintainers.
Our practice is a proponent of health, and that is our true passion. But sometimes we have a molar that's just too far gone for repair. Edison's tooth needed a solution, and I wanted to offer him a custom one. I didn't want to put in a metal space maintainer to hold space and avoid his molars from tipping. So we went to creating.
And now we have SmileKeeper, resin-based, aesthetic, and functional.
So here's what we did for our dear friend Edison. We followed our digital workflows, acquiring data with a quick scan before we even did or planned any sort of treatment visit. Explained to his parents how we would go about the design and how we would eventually deliver the appliance. We showed them what used to be available and what is now happening, and they were super excited.
This one's smaller, this one's smaller. Does it feel pretty even? I think it's good. It's good? Okay. Do we have some floss, please? Okay, I'm going to ask you to bite down because I have to check a few things. Can you bite down for me, please? Yeah, it actually looks really good. I don't know if you can get a view from the outside.
So what's so cool is that I like to fabricate a lot of appliances just to always have spares. I also like to show parents what these look like, and then we go into the minor steps of post-processing. But here in my hands, I hold the history, which solved a lot of solutions, and we are very appreciative. But then I also hold future, where we're going to be able to customize and produce these at very quick speeds so that they can be delivered in a single visit. What's even cooler is that I actually hold the present because we were able to achieve that.